Flexi-Seal is a heavy-duty, flexible membrane used to seal off basements and crawl spaces from external moisture and ground vapor. Its fiber-reinforced construction makes it extra durable and tear-resistant. Flexi-Seal also features an anti-microbial additive that prevents mold growth. To line a crawl space, begin by wrapping the pillars. We recommend using double-sided black foam tape and concrete fasteners to wrap and secure the Flexi-Seal around the pillar. Roll out the Flexi-Seal and cut it to wrap the pillars. Cut down along the sides to create 4 flaps. These flaps will allow the Flexi-Seal to wrap all the way around the block and lay flat on the floor. The flaps will eventually be covered on the ground by more Flexi-Seal. Seal any seams with 4-inch white Flexi-Seal tape. After the pillars are wrapped, roll out the Flexi-Seal along the perimeter of the crawl space to hang on the foundation walls. Again, you can use concrete fasteners and black foam tape to adhere the Flexi-Seal to the walls. When using the black foam tape, make sure the walls are clean and dry. Join and seal the seams with white Flexi-Seal tape. You can also install a termination bar at the top of the wall for a clean finish. Finally, roll out enough Flexi-Seal to cover the ground in long strips. Seal the strips to the pillars, covering the flaps from before. Join and seal all the edges with white Flexi-Seal tape. Flexi-Seal is suitable for installation directly on the ground. However, we recommend covering the ground with dimple drain prior to installing the Flexi-Seal. This not only gives contractors a clean space in which to work, but it also reinforces the Flexi-Seal, giving the homeowner a sturdy, level storage space. For more information on Flexi-Seal or to place an order, give us a call today.